Today I'm going to show you how to fix that nylon wing nut that broke off on that copper rod. If you could see where the spring is, the wing nut broke. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this adapter. I put it in a fast pace so that don't waste your time. This is my plan to get this adapter. I think it's 1.5 inches, I believe, in the plug. What I want to do is I'm going to take the handle on the plug off, and then I'll screw it in. Hopefully it slides through the spring, and I'm going to take that off eventually. So to cut this all sides, I was able to take this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shave this off so it fits. Right now it's not going to fit. I gotta get the spring in. This is what it looks like with the drill. I made a bunch of holes. Now I'm going to use this cutter to cut along the bars so that I'm able to fit this in. You don't have to use this to cut if you have a better tool. Right now this is what I have, so I'm gonna cut this more and almost see if it fits this edge. You gotta do a little bit more cutting. So I took it inside. It got dark, so I can show you how it's done. So I'm gonna put the I don't know if you could see that screw inside. I have cleaned the copper rod, and I have taken out the nylon wing nut that broke off in the at the end of the copper rod. So I'll put everything back, and I'm going to show you what I'm about to do. This is regular construction glue that you see on the caulking gun. So I'm going to slide it off just like that. I could just go like this, but the whole thing is there's a huge gap between the copper rod and the mesh, the screen. And I guess you could do it like this, but the whole thing is eventually when the plastic around the screen gets weak or something, and it will just slide right out. So what I want to do is I want to make something permanent. So I decided to put this ring of threads that I made from the plug so that I could screw it on. See, it has thread, it fits right in. I mean, you could buy these things in any hardware store. So it's just spinning because I haven't glued it on yet. I'm gonna glue it on, glue the threads on, and then I'm gonna put this adapter on it. I'm doing this to show you that you do not have to return it to wherever you bought it from, because this thing, Sunshock, is so useful. It cost me about $3 to $4, I believe, both of the adapters. And once I get this glued on, I'll put it back in the pool, and it's gonna work like a charm. So this glue you see brown, it's regular construction adhesive or liquid nail. You don't want to put too much. I should have put a little bit less, but this would do it. As long as you don't make a big mess, I mean, it doesn't really matter. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and share with your family and friends so they could benefit as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for this glue to dry. While I wait, just try. It's a good idea to clean off around it so that you don't have to be stuck with the glue that you haven't used. Allow it like a day or so for the glue to dry out. for the thread to sit in place. You could just put the other adapter and glue it on. You don't have to go through this threading process. You don't have to put this thread down. But in case the screen comes loose, I decided to put the thread down. So just wanted to show you, I also put the glue over there where the wing nut went through, because once I put the adapter, the wing nut does not fit. So you could just slide it back in like this. It fits fine. I don't have to glue the screen down to the adapters, and here we go. Thank you for watching.